Hello, my TK friends. Welcome to my kitchen. I miss you guys so much. So we are gonna do a really simple little activity today that you can do in your kitchen. You have to have an adult or a bigger brother or sister help you so that you don't make too much of a mess, because we don't want mom and dad to have to clean up a bunch of a mess. So here's what you're gonna need. You're going to need some milk, okay? You're going to need some food coloring. You're going to need a plate. You're going to need some dish soap, just a little teeny bit, and a toothpick or a cotton swab, okay? So those are the things we're gonna need. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pour the milk into the plate, and we're gonna put the food coloring in, so the colors will be there. Now, if you remember earlier in the year, we did our color lab and we worked with how colors mixed up. So this is kind of going along with that, but we're gonna do some kitchen chemistry. Okay, so here's my plate, here's my milk. I'm gonna take some milk and pour it into my plate so that it settles on the whole bottom of the plate, okay? Make sure you have mom and dad telling you that it's okay for you to be doing this right now. So I want my milk to settle so that it's not moving. I don't want to be, if it's on a table, I don't want to be bumping the table and moving it around. I just want my milk to set still. Now we know that milk is a liquid and it's white. Now the milk I'm using has a lot of fat in it. So we're going to see how the soap reacts with the fat in the milk. So the first thing I'm gonna do, I now have my milk in here, I'm gonna open up my food coloring and I'm gonna put a couple drops of each color kind of close to the center of my bowl, of my plate. Okay. Now I don't wanna mix them at all, okay? Now, if I take the end of my cotton swab that's clean, there's nothing on it right now, and I put it right in the middle, do you think anything will happen? If we make a prediction, will anything happen if I just touch my dry cotton swab to the middle? Let's try. Nope, nothing really happened. Okay, because there's nothing on my cotton swab that's gonna react with the fat in the milk and have anything happen. So now what happens if I take my dish soap, okay? It's just my dish soap from when I do dishes, and I put a little bit, I'm gonna put my cotton swab in just a little bit. So it's got a little bit of soap on it, okay? And I'm gonna put it straight down in between the colors and see what happens. Right? I'm gonna put it down and I'm not gonna mix it. I'm just gonna hold it really still. And we wanna see what the soap will do. Watch. Can you see that soap moving all the colors? I'm not moving. My hand is not moving. That's just the soap that's moving all those colors. Because soap breaks down fat molecules and it breaks down grease. So that's why we use dish soap to do our dishes, because it breaks down the grease and gets the grease off of our dishes. But in the milk, it's breaking down the fat molecules and spreading out those colors and mixing up those colors and making it kind of cool. And look, it's still moving. You could see it still moving those colors. So this is something that's really easy and inexpensive that you guys could do at home. You could ask mom and dad, say, hey mom and dad, can I do a really cool activity for you? And ask them to help you get your supplies, okay? You just need a little bit of milk, you need a plate, you need some food coloring. If you don't have all 4 colors, it's okay, use whatever colors you've got. And you need a little bit of dish soap and a cotton swab, and you have them help you, and then you can show them this really cool activity. And if you do it and you wanted to send me you doing this activity, I would love it for you guys to email it to me so I could see you, because I miss you guys. Okay? So hopefully you guys will have a little bit of fun with this and get to experiment with colors and soap and how soap reacts with fats in milk. Okay? I miss you guys.